October 23rd, and...
He wants to play in his car. Yeah, let him play in his car. Yeah.
Oh, great.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, he's not gonna open. He's not gonna. We should have waited. I thought about bringing that thing out of the lab.
No, it's his party.
Yeah. You're a policeman.
Definitely
You want
love.
Papa to push you? She knows how to close the door. Yeah. Door?
Door?
Where are you going?
Let's play a little jungle gym for him.
Yeah.
That is so funny.
Well, we definitely hit the nail on the head, Shane, with this gift.
Oh, yeah. Who thought of that?
I did.
Where'd you find that little police car thing?
Well, those things have been around for 30 years.
You can only find a little red one.
Yeah, this is the 30th edition.
Had to order that
They're
online.
I remember having them when we were a kid, or one of our neighbors had them, but everybody I talked to said...
Can I take that label off?
Their 1-year-old for
Because it looks like he's going to try to peel it off.